If you want to import Pro Mode preset on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you need to do is you need to open the camera app. Over here we're gonna switch to the Pro Mode, and then in Pro Mode, as you swipe over here, you should be able to reveal, of course, the Pro Mode preset list. And we should be able to find this icon over here, this rectangle with an arrow, which is used to import presets. So if you select this option, over here we have this information that only zip format can be imported, so we can press OK, and then you will use the file manager in order to try to find the zip file with the preset. Now, if you don't know, well, let's say that your friend has a preset that they want to share with you, and if they don't know how to export the preset, then you can just tap on these three dots that we have in the upper right corner of the preset, and then in here we have this rectangle with an arrow that we can use in order to share or to save somewhere, for example. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.